Hi, this is Qingshan Chen, and here I'm explain the 4 questions I choose from the project 6. So for the 4 questions, I find 2 easy ones, so I just pick it. It's from question 2 and question 4. First I can explain question 2. We need to find the derivative, antiderivative for the 1 over x squared plus 1. So you can just rewrite at 1 over x2 plus 1 1 square. 1 can be 1 square. So we can get arctangent x plus c. So same as 4 is also we need to find the antiderivative for 1 over root 1 minus x squared. So it just rewrite 1 as 1 square. So we get arctangent sin x plus c. Now I will explain the difficult one. So for the question 1, I choose x squared. Find the antiderivative for x squared multiply sin x. So here we need to follow the formula. The antiderivative f multiply g derivative equal f multiply g minus antiderivative f derivative multiply g. So we need to find each part. Here I choose f equals x squared and g derivative is sin x here. So for those two, we find that the derivative of f is 2x. We just need to move 2 to here and minus 1. And for the g derivative, find the original g is minus cosine x. So we use this, putting this formula, we get x squared multiply negative cosine x minus the antiderivative 2x multiply negative cosine x. So it looks like the antiderivative is only here. So we just solve this part. We can move 2 and the negative out. We get this. Then we follow this formula again. Find x and the derivative of g. So it's x and cosine x. And the derivative of f equals 1. And the original g is sin x. So we choose this part and fill in this formula. We get x sin x minus antiderivative of sin x. So we got cosine x. So every detail is ready for the plug-in. So I will from this way we choose this. We get x sin x plus cosine x because 2 minus, so become plus. And here and multiply negative 2, we get minus 2x sin x minus 2 cosine x because the minus, everything be minus. Then the last thing is this part minus this part. So here we just need to find the minus, and here is 2 minus, so we will get like 2 plus, and here is just x squared multiply minus cosine, so we get minus x squared cosine x plus 2x sin x plus 2 cosine x. So this is the final answer for the integrative these things. So last question is 3. X ln x is also need to follow this formula, but I choose a tricky way. For the f is L ln x because f's derivative is 1 over x, and g derivative I've choose x, so the original g is 1 over 2x squared. I simplify like x squared over 2. So put everything in the formula, we get x squared ln x over 2. It's this multiply this and simplify like this. So minus antiderivative x over 2. Now we move out 1 over 2, we get x antiderivative of x. We follow the power rule, we find that antiderivative of x is x squared over 2. So this multiply 1 over 2, we get x squared over 4. So the first part and the last part plug in is just this part minus x squared over 4, this part, and plus c. And that's all my explanation for the project 6.